Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I want to talk to you about Magaldrate Dimethicone, a medicine that really helps with reflux and chronic gastritis. Have you ever felt that burning feeling in your chest or heartburn after eating? It's super uncomfortable. Well, Magaldrate Dimethicone can be a great solution to relieve those symptoms. So how does this medicine work? Magaldrate is responsible for neutralizing stomach acid, as if turning it off, and simethicone reduces the formation of gas that makes us feel bloated. Working together, these components relieve acidity and protect our stomach and esophagus. To take it correctly, the most important thing is to follow the doctor's instructions. Generally, you start with a spoonful after meals and before going to bed. Then, the doctor can adjust the dose depending on how you feel. It is important to mention that, although they are not very common, some side effects may appear, such as nausea, diarrhea, or constipation. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, do not hesitate to consult your doctor immediately. Remember, never self-medicate. Always follow the instructions of your healthcare professional. And as with any medicine, store it in a cool, dry place, out of reach of children. In short, Magaldrate Dimethicone is an excellent option to relieve reflux and gastritis. Take good care of yourself and follow your doctor's recommendations. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.